It's like uncovering a time capsule from the industrial age. 40 years this machine has waited, untouched.
Driven deep into this cave during the darkest days of World War II, a sudden tunnel collapse sealed it away from the world.
This assessment process tests the soundness of the boiler shell. A clear ring indicates the steel hasn't thinned to a dangerous degree, despite the heavy corrosion. The assessment reveals that while surface corrosion is severe, the core firebox has survived intact due to the cave's shelter from direct weather. We're assessing which components can be salvaged. The smokebox door presents a challenge due to the severe corrosion of its hinge mechanism. The high-pressure water is removing loose rust and debris to reveal the underlying steel condition for a more accurate assessment. The pressure washing is uncovering the true condition of the metal. Many components that appeared severely damaged are proving to be more structurally sound than expected. The locomotive is now visually cleaner, but the real work of restoration has just begun. Every component is being carefully removed and cataloged for assessment. The team is documenting the condition of each part as it comes off the locomotive. As the cab structure is removed, the condition of the exposed components helps determine the scope of the interior restoration.
These original instruments are rare and valuable components that will be preserved and restored.
With the saddle tank and boiler removed, the dismantling phase is complete. Next, we begin the extensive process of deep rust removal. This process removes the remaining rust and scale, revealing the bright, bare steel beneath. It's essential preparation. We use different abrasive tools for these areas. It's crucial to carefully work around the rivets to preserve the details. Then we use a finer brush on the hinge. The importance of this manual finishing work is crucial. It prepares the surface for the welding and repair phases that will follow. The rust converter application stops the corrosion process and provides an excellent base for the protective coatings that follow. A major milestone achieved. The rust removal is complete, and these components are finally ready for the structural repairs and welding ahead. We're assessing the chimney damage now. The crack will be repaired using a combination of heat and precision welding to restore the structural integrity of the cast iron. By carefully controlling the arc, the new metal flows seamlessly, repairing the crack and ensuring the chimney's strength is fully restored.
The structural repair phase is complete. With the chassis now perfectly aligned and strengthened, we are ready to begin the mechanical rebuilding.
Assessment of the valve gear requires precision. We inspect every component for wear and measure them against the reference chart to ensure they meet specifications. Fitting the new rings ensures proper steam sealing. A feeler gauge checks the gap, then the steam oil is applied for efficient engine operation. We assess the wear patterns on the brake shoes before cleaning the linkages with solvent and applying fresh lubricant to ensure reliable stopping power. The suspension assembly process ensures proper weight distribution. The restored suspension will provide a smooth ride for the locomotive.
With the mechanical rebuilding phase complete, the valve gear and suspension are fully installed. Now, we move on to surface preparation and painting.
Here we're applying the body filler in thin, even layers to smooth out imperfections. This creates a perfectly smooth surface for the primer and paint. This meticulous masking process protects the detailed components and brass fittings, ensuring only the boiler shell receives the final coat of paint. The preparation phase is crucial. A perfectly clean surface is essential for the primer to adhere correctly, ensuring a flawless finish. The gray primer is essential. It provides crucial protection against the elements and creates a perfect base for the final color coats. We use a consistent spray pattern, overlapping each pass to ensure complete coverage. It is crucial to allow each coat to flat. Gray primer has transformed the rusted steel. Now, we introduce the gamma green metallic color, chosen specifically for this locomotive's legacy. We are now applying the gamma green metallic. This vibrant color, specially matched to the original factory specification. The second coat builds crucial color depth. Multiple layers ensure complete coverage and enhance the durability of the gamma green finish. We are applying the crimson red to the buffer beams. This striking combination with the green boiler was the original factory specification for this legendary locomotive.
With the application finished, the striking contrast between the green body and red buffer beams is clear. The paint will now cure before the polishing phase.
The paint must be allowed to fully harden before polishing can begin. This patience ensures a durable and flawless final finish. The buffer spins at high speed, working the compound into the paint. This reveals the metallic flakes and achieves that blitz. This final polishing stage is crucial. The fine polish brings out the ultimate gloss and depth, allowing the metallic flake. With the paint correction and polishing complete, we've achieved a flawless finish. Next, we begin the interior restoration, focusing on the cab and controls. The interior restoration work returns the cab to its original condition, with new flooring and trim that maintains the locomotive's historical character.
The restored brass gauges are critical for proper locomotive operation. We ensure precise alignment.
The interior restoration is complete. Now, all the restored components will be brought together to create the completed locomotive. The boiler shell lift marks a major milestone. Carefully hoisted by the gantry crane, the team ensures precise alignment before securing the fasteners.
Hold it steady right there.
The workers guide the wheels with careful precision, as these components are critical for the locomotive's proper operation.
The reassembly is now complete. We move on to the crucial fluid and system checks, ensuring everything is ready for the locomotive's first start.
Careful preparation is essential. The steam oil ensures the engine's moving parts are fully lubricated before the first start.
We ensure all electrical systems are functioning properly before the first start. We verify continuity with the multimeter and check the generator output. The final inspections are done. The systems are ready. Now we move to the first engine start, building anticipation for this key moment.
With the pressure gauge finally in the green, she makes the final adjustments. This is it.
After 4 decades, the culmination of the restoration journey. A powerful, emotional moment as this historic locomotive is reborn.
What a triumph! The restoration is complete. Now for the final polishing and preparation for the cinematic reveal.
With the final polish complete, the Gamma Green shines brilliantly. A testament to meticulous restoration, she is ready. From a cave-entombed wreck to this stunning machine, the transformation is complete. A true work of industrial art. From a forgotten cave discovery to this moment, the restoration is complete, and the magnificent machine breathes fire once more. The craftsmanship on this restoration is truly remarkable. Every polished steel component speaks to the beauty of steam engineering.
After years of dedicated work, the result speaks for itself. This magnificent machine is a testament.
Today we celebrate the successful restoration of the Hulk Thomas, Engine 82, completing its journey from cave discovery to operational condition. This represents the highest standard of restoration, capturing the locomotive's character. It's a testament to the historical importance. We celebrate the successful restoration of this magnificent locomotive. Thank you for following the journey with us, from discovery to completion.
The Hulk Thomas 82 is fully restored, a testament to preserving our industrial heritage. Thank you.
Every frame in this video is handcrafted from concept to final edit. A real human guides every step using AI tools. All content is original and follows YouTube 2026 monetization rules.